like fits together like a puzzle?
Then you can always interpret that stuff. You think God is saying, you know what, I will take all these people and put them in...
Are you a big girl now?
I mean,
I know God's not saying that. Take a little bit lower.
Yeah. What else?
He is ripped. He's lost all his baby weight. The dude's got massive arms and legs, which were once boobies, so we don't have to black
Uh-oh.
the man.
You got it okay? Big girl. You're a big girl, aren't you?
And his 2-year-old now.
I forget. Was this a woman who turned into a man?
Reverse Silence of the Lambs, but not creepy.
You can have a baby or not a man.
Maybe if you can't have a baby, you're not a man, wuss. Let Professor Levin explain.
Sex change 101. Do you know what? You understand Chaz Bono, right?
As an artist or...
Chaz Bono has no penis, right, but is legally a man. Chaz Bono is a man with a vagina.
Just as Gerard Butler...
What you doing, Alexandria?
And they're both manly men.
Huh?
And so is the now chiseled baby.
He looks bumpy. Bumpy is not ripped.
No, this is bumpy.
What are you doing?
Baby who's got better ass.
Alexandria. Woohoo.
It looks like Mrs. Beatty won.
The NFL lockout is over.
What? What?
All except for Hank Baskett. Poor guy. I mean, that kid, he's the most famous botch playmaker ever.
So you happy the lockout's done?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
It's like, sucked? It sucks, you know, like, it's still going for you, buddy. And it's like...
You sitting down now? Whee! What a big girl!
Comes out. We've been playing with him here.
Where's your toy, sweetheart? Okay, bye-bye.